Driving across the streets of Igomu, Surulere in Lagos, one could easily spot some exceptional structures spread across the sideways of the road. But one of the most eye-catchy is the National Arts Theatre, located at Igomu, Surulere in Lagos. It's about a 30-minute drive from Lagos Island and less than 3 minutes drive from Costain. You can find it near the Costain bus stop coming from CMS, Lagos to Badagry Expressway, Napapa Road or Ijora Causeway.
Hello everyone, Kotesokoya here again today, and I'll be taking you on a tour around this beautiful edifice behind me, the National Arts Theatre in Lagos State, Nigeria. Come along, let's go!
The National Arts Theatre is a prominent cultural landmark and a hub for performing arts in Nigeria, hosting various events, exhibitions, and performances. The National Arts Theatre, recently renamed the Wole Soyinka Center for Culture and Creative Arts, is an iconic cultural landmark in Lagos, Nigeria. It's a hub for performing arts, hosting various events like music concerts, plays, film screening, and exhibitions. This stunning structure was built in 1976 for the Festival of Arts and Culture, Festac, in 1977, and features a unique architectural design resembling a military hat or a traditional Yoruba cap. This renaming took place in the year 2024 and serves as a tribute to Soyinka's enduring legacy and contributions to literature and the arts. Over the past few years, this landmark edifice has suffered lots of tourism rejection due to lack of maintenance by the management, which made both locals and foreigners not to be able to enjoy the construction purpose of this structure. But as of today, tons of renovation processes is still ongoing to revive the National Art Theatre back to its old glory, to preserve and promote Nigerian cultural heritage, inspiring future generations of artists and creatives. As the first glance into the premises, one will spot a large number of trees that serve the purpose of a shed in a reserved area for people to chill and relax, with a statue of a woman on a horse holding a sword at the center, who happens to be the late Queen Amina of Zaria, one of Nigerian Northern Wonder Woman. This is more than just a video, it's a journey, a story, a vision coming alive, so don't just scroll past. Subscribe to my channel to be a part of something real. Like, comment, share, because every action you take fuels the fire. It is a symbol of Nigeria's rich cultural heritage, providing a platform for artists to showcase their talents and promoting cultural exchange. With its recent innovation and renaming, it's poised to become an even more vibrant hub for creative expression. It has a security post controlled by the Nigerian Police Force for maximum security of lives and properties. Taking a walk to the right side within the premises is an enjoyment center where one can get fast food and drinks, and also a mini market to get some Nigerian attire for yourself and loved ones.
Yes, alright guys, this is another entrance. I think this is National, as you can see, this is National Theatre Lagos. This is exit D, so the same thing as entrance D. And still also closed. And even from that angle, I can see some security guys, just in case for anything want to, it's Lagos. Let's go.
This edifice is surrounded with iron barricade for sectional access control, having several entrances and exit points. A little walk approaching the theatre are beautiful flowers and some mini playgrounds for kids and adults. Moving towards the back of this structure is a modern train station named after the theatre, controlled by the Lagos State government, where passengers can board the train to their various destinations, either to the island or to the mainland. This adorable structure has a very cinematic look, as it has been featured in several Afrobeat music videos, just like Wizkid and Zlatan's single titled IDK. Now, as for the bankers committee that piqued interest in renovating this iconic masterpiece, they saw a rebirth to transform the National Theatre into a creative and entertainment hub instead of the initial purpose it was built for, to be the new heartbeat of Nigeria's growing creative industry. Surprisingly, it was renovated with no taxpayer money, which means it was the private sector that came together to repurpose this event center. This renovation was more than a facelift. It was a declaration that art, music, fashion, and tech are not just culture, they are capitals worth reinvesting into. It is going to boost more opportunities for filmmakers, designers, musicians, and coders as a vibrant space where Nigerian youth can create, showcase, and export their talents to the world. The investment makes sense. A thriving creative economy boosts GDP, reduces unemployment, and drives innovation. It's profitable not just in naira but in national pride. And I am glad to tell you today that the National Theatre rises again, not just as a monument but as a movement, one built on belief, business, and a bold step into the future. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and share. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more stories, more vibes, and more adventures. If you don't like the video, still do the same. Catch you in the next one.